In this tutorial, I will show you how to connect Coinbase with Coinbase Wallet. So before we do this, you need to be sure that you have an account set up on Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. And after you have that done, you need to be sure that you have both applications installed on your device and that you are logged into the designated accounts that you want to link. So once you have that done, open up your Coinbase Wallet and then go to the Portfolio tab all the way at the bottom right in here. And now you need to click on the settings icon at the top. Once you are in here, scroll down and there you will find this option to connect to Coinbase. So we're going to click on this. And now we are going to click on buy or transfer with Coinbase. And once we click on this, we will be able to make a connection with the two wallets. So I'm going to click on this in here. And now it will automatically go to the Coinbase app, and then you will get this screen where it will ask you to access your account information, send crypto for your account, buy crypto, and get other permissions. And if you want to connect them, then you need to click on authorize in here. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, we have this screen saying all done, and now we can add crypto with our Coinbase account, and this means that the accounts are now linked. So when we click on this X in here, then we see under Coinbase account saying that it's connected. So this is how you connect your Coinbase with Coinbase Wallet. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.